Hi friends, this question came in CSIR June 2018 question paper. The question is, for the following reaction, this is a reaction, this carbonyl, this cluster will react with a carbonyl to form this complex. The structure of the intermediate is, he asked the intermediate step of this reaction. These are the options he given. The answer for this reaction can be, first we have to look at this structure. To calculate this, have to calculate the effective atomic number. The iron will have d6s2 configuration, so it have 18 electrons in its outer orbital. Carbonyl will contribute 2 electrons. We have 2 carbonyls here, so gives 4 electrons, and methyl will give 1 electron, and this cyclopentane will have 5 heptato. That means it give 5 electrons from this cyclopentane, so 5. Totally we calculate 18 electrons. So this is stable complex. That means effective atomic number is 18. So it is stable complex. So to reaction occur by migration of methyl from this position to carbonyl take place here. This will form after methyl migration. Carbonyl migration will not take place. That means this is a carbonyl exist in gaseous form. Gases are not migrate over methyl. Methyl will migrate over carbonyl take place. So after migration, this complex will form. This is the intermediate complex which were obtained after migration. So if we calculate the effective atomic number of this for this complex, we obtain 16 electrons. So it is coordinatively unsaturated. That means this is coordinatively saturated, this is coordinatively unsaturated. After this intermediate will form, the carbonyl 13 carbonyl insertion will take place. Okay, sorry, addition take place. So finally this complex will form. So in the question, this is the final answer, but he asked in the question intermediate. So this is the intermediate step which we obtained. So in this question, answer for this question is, this is a answer. Okay, sorry, this is not. This is a right option for the question. Look at this option, fourth, this matches with this intermediate.